Today we're going to open up this grinder and look at the dirt that can build up over time if they're not cleaned and maintained. Look at that. And that's that out. From this you can just see the mess it's made on the workbench. Screws out on each corner, and see if we can get the R block working. There's a Torx there and a Torx there. Remove them and see what that does. Easy as that. So now we can get that washed off. These bits here we'll have to carefully wash off, whereas the other bits, they can be thrown in some hot soapy water. After a little bit of cleaning, the arbor lock is now working. You can see it's going all the way in. We'll start off by making sure this is dry inside here, and then we can put the motor back in. Now we can fill this void up with some grease. I'm just going to use some lithium grease. And it engages with the gear. That's the wrong way. Just turn the gear as you turn the motor as you're putting it back in, and that'll engage the gears. This one here actually needs to be left out because that's where the guard adjuster goes. That sits in there. So we'll take that one back out and put it into this one. Now that's tight, we just want to check that is still moving freely, and as you can see it's not, so we've gone two, that's it. Do you ever just look at something and know it's not right? The head should be the other way, and this base may need rotating. We'll get that done. That's more like it. So that's actually a good feature of this grinder. You can have the battery at 90 degrees to the wheel. So if you're getting in some tight spaces, it may be useful. In order to rotate it, you need to loosen these 4 screws. Carefully turn it. So that's how the rotating mechanism works. Just on a spring, which is forcing it up into this notch, you rotate it, then it engages in the other notch. Now we can use the R block that was repaired, block it off and nip it up. That's it cleaned and reassembled, and as you can see, cosmetically it's not great. However, you've seen inside, the maintenance we've done today will help it along its way. It's definitely something worth doing on all your power tools to keep them good for years to come. As I say, look after your tools and they'll look after you. That there is what's been inside the grinder.
Better out than in, I always say.